Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to wire pins on Pinterest. So, if you don't know about how to open a Pinterest business account, to click on I button. So, let's watch this video until the end. So, there are types of the Pinterest. So, image Pinterest.
If you want to create a image piece, so I will go to Google Chrome over here and I will type here Pinterest. Okay, then you see here, this is my first website. Get to open over here and you click here, your Pinterest business page get open. Okay, you see here, this is my Pinterest business page will get open. So I will go to the view public profile over here and I will go these three dashes and I will go to create a pin over here. Okay, so you see here, this is my create a pin. So I will choose the file of my one file over here. Okay, so I will choose one file, this type of file. Okay, this type I will choose this and I will okay it. You see here, this is my photo will upload over here. Okay, I have my own YouTube channel, so I will upload this kind of photo or image over here. This is my thumbnail, or you can also publish your this photo as a portrait also, landscape also, whatever you want. So I want to add my traffic to my YouTube channel, so I will upload this kind of photo over here. Okay, so you see here, I will go to here and I will type, I want to create a title over it. So I will go to my channel, wait a minute. Okay, this type of, and okay, I will type here the description, how to earn money without investment. Okay, so you have to add a certain kind of description over here. So I will add a description. Okay, I will add a description, how to earn money without any investment. So in this tutorial we will discuss about how to earn money without any investment, and we can also tell you about with certain websites on based topics. Okay, like this. You should add the link of YouTube channel. Okay, I will add my link over here. So I will go to YouTube detail over here and I will copy this link. Then I will paste this kind of link over here and choose bold. The bold is very important. You should choose the bold, or yes, it is a bold. So if you don't have any kind of bold, so create a bold. You can also create the bold also. So I will create the bold. I will type here skill courses. Okay, and I will create it. Okay, after that you see skill courses, I will create a one bold over here. Okay, you see this is bold, get open over here. Search for a text, so I will add my tags over here, like this kind of text. I will show you certain tags of here. So this kind of text, so I will add a text over so that people search any kind of that keyword, so my video will get show over here, or my image photo will get show over here. So I will tags over here. I will tag hashtag how to earn money without any investment. Okay, this is first tag. Then another I will show you hashtag how to earn money. This is the two topics, two tags I am show right over here. Okay, and you see publish at later. So I will click here. So you see you have to add a date option over here, and you should have to the time option over here. In which date you have to publish this images in Pinterest account. So you can publish it. Suppose if you want to publish on tomorrow, so you can add a date of tomorrow, and what time you have to publish it. You have to publish the time also. Okay. So then you allow the people to comment. So you have to allow the people to comment. Show similar products. Yes, I will show you similar product also. So if you don't click over here, so you directly publish over here also. So you can publish also from here. Okay. So I will publish it. You see my Pinterest get published over here. Publish complete. So you see here. Okay, you see here. This is published. Okay, save from URL. So you can save also URL over here. Okay, I will show you one thing. Okay, you see here. This is I am show this kind of pin over here. Okay, publish over this kind of pin I am publish over here. You see here. You see this is our pin get. Right now we created this kind of one pin. Okay, you see. If you save over here, you can get pin is go save over here. You see, I want to save this kind of pin, so I will create name of your board Pinterest. Okay, I will give the board is Pinterest. Okay, so you see here, you save your first pin on your Pinterest. Okay, this is Pinterest board gets saved over here. Okay, then another you see Pinterest. You see here. Okay, so like that you can create your own pins on your Pinterest.
Video pins.
Suppose if you want to create a video pins, I will go to Google Chrome over here. I will show here. Then you should add a title of Pinterest. Then I click on this my first ID over here, my website over here, and then you see here I will go to my view public and profiles, and I will go to create pins. Okay, you see here. Then I will show you about. I will go to here. I will choose one file. I will. Okay, this I will take this. Then I will open it. You see, this video get open over here. Okay, I will add a title. Same title I will add how to earn money without any investment. I will add description. This description I will add over here. Okay, I will give them hashtag also over here in description. Okay, then I will write in. There are a lot of website to earn money, and I will show about a few websites to earn money, like this. Okay, then I will add the links. Okay, I will add the link. I will show you one link. Okay, I will take this kind of link and I will add that link over here. I will paste. I will choose the board also. I will put skill courses board. I will tag the how to earn money without any investment. Okay, you can publish the date over here also. If you want to publish later, you can also publish the later. You can also change the date and time also, and automatically the Pinterest will submit your post. Okay, So if you don't want this kind of published letter, so you can check it out and then you can publish over here. Okay, so I will show one publish. Okay, you see I will publish this my video over here. Okay, so wait a minute, you see publish completed. Okay, so you see here and I will show you in my file over here again. So I think so it is going save option. You see here skill courses, you see I will publish this kind of pin over here. Okay, so you see here when you click over here, okay, you see this is I'm upload this kind of video over here. So when some people click on this link or over here, so that go to the directly on YouTube my website over, you see over here that people can go directly from my YouTube channel and they can visit my link also, and like that you can earn an organic way from income from your website as well as your business
Rich
also.
pins.
Suppose if you want to create the rich pin, so I will go to Google Chrome over here and I will type here Pinterest. Okay, so this is my first website get open over here, Pinterest. So you see here this is my Pinterest website get open. I will go to view public profile. I will go to the three dots and I will create pin. Right now I'm telling about you image pins and video pins. So rich pins are also there like that. But in rich pins, you want to create a recipes, any kind of article you can post it, or you want to any post of any kind of product, so you can add a product also. Right now I don't have any kind of recipes from you, so I will show you one thing. I will click over here and I will go to this and I will create this profile. Okay, you see this kind of, suppose you see assume as that it is my recipes. Okay, I am take the one photo, upload the photo of the recipes. Right now I don't any kind of recipes photo, but I am show you about one demo of this. You should add the recipe also there. You can give the title of the any kind of recipes, you can give the description, you can give the any kind of links. So you can choose the bold also, you can tags also, you can also give the tags. Tags means you have to relevant the keyword searches. So you should give the proper tags over here and then you can publish over here, or you can publish it later from here also. Okay, you can change the date, time, and you can, here the more options is that allow the people to comment or show similar products. So you can check this, people should have to give them comment and show similar product, you have to check this. Okay, and then you can publish it. Okay, you can publish over here. Okay, if you want to. So if you don't want to publish right now, so you can change the date over here, or if you want to publish this kind of images or videos, so you can publish from here, directly from here. You can give them bold link also. It's important that you should have to send a link or paste your link. Suppose for example I will show you, I will show the cookie recipe, cooking recipe. So okay, wait a minute. So this is one link I will show you. This is the one how to cook recipe like this. So you can add the link like this from over here. Okay, and then you can publish it. You to add to the description about that particular recipe. You should have to give the title, recipe, links. You have to choose the board. You should have to give them tags. Okay, then you can publish it.
Okay, if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.